dying over here. He's stuck. Dude. Here we are at the Devil's Den. The Devil's Den. Oh my gosh, I'm already ready to turn back from the devil. He got. I don't know, but my legs are on fire like hell right now. Cause, yeah. I think it's because I'm in the Devil's Den. Oh, hell. Hell no. Hanging around the Devil's Play Den. If you fall, I'll just share this video with Sarah, and she'll be like, "Thanks for videotaping his last seconds." Money shot. It's like he's gonna get stuck right there. He's stuck in the devil's doorknob. Dude, you're trying to get up in there so bad.
I can't think I can squeeze my body up in there.
I will pay money. I'm dying over here. He's stuck. Dude. Everything looks so painful. It looks like it hurts.
I'm trying not to laugh. You laugh.
This is the most painful position I think I've ever seen you in. Oh my gosh, this hurts so bad. It hurts so bad. Don't die. That's what I was trying to do. You made it, dude.
Dude, somebody signed their last name and it says it's strong.
No way.
Yes, it does.
Ben is making it through. Bro. You do it.
No, I just had to find the right equipment. Crawl to the rock. Ooh. So it's not the way to go.
Look at that. No, you're good, dude.
Because that way it would be easier for you to explain it. Like, this is how he died. Remember, he tried to jump off the thing, and
Bro, that you could. Oh my gosh. I actually.